Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to find my device using Outlook account. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So maybe you lost your device, your mobile phone, and in that phone you lock your Outlook account and you want to use the find my device features. I'm going to show you in this video. So first you can log into your Outlook account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to the top right corner here to open your profile or Microsoft profile, and then you can click my Microsoft account. You can click on it, and after that you will be redirected to the Microsoft account settings, and then you can go to your left side navigation menu here. You can open it, and you can go to security here. Next, you can scroll down and you will find device protection here. Click on it. And then as you can see, this is my device. So it's only my computer or my laptop. So let's say I lost my phone and I want to find the phone. I'm gonna just click this one, my find my device, and then it will locate it, my device. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.